Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials and immediately crafting a focused prompt. Say what you want, article, email, or ad, and set length and tone. Give Chatgpt 3-5 facts and the target audience to anchor ideas. Then write a compact prompt that defines role, task, constraints, and output format. Include one sample line as an example. Once done, run the prompt and ask for a short outline. This gets you moving fast. Make sure to capture key facts before you expand. You continue by asking Chatgpt for a structured outline with headings and suggested word counts. Once you have the outline, expand sections one at a time. Request examples, supporting points, and smooth transitions. Ask for specific items like statistics or quotes and tell the model to keep or delete options. Make sure to enforce voice, reading level, and SEO keywords as constraints. When a section feels off, use targeted edits and ask for alternative phrasings. This focused iteration improves clarity and flow. You finish by requesting a single-pass revision focusing on clarity, brevity, and consistent voice. Ask for one-paragraph summaries and a meta description. Then fact-check claims and replace questionable details and add calls to action or alt text for images. If output drifts or includes errors, tell Chatgpt exactly what's wrong and provide a corrected example. Ask for step-by-step fixes or a rewrite of the problematic section. A key troubleshooting tip: show one bad line and ask for 3 corrected alternatives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.